Hello, my name is John Genitazio. I want to make this video real quick with some tips and tricks on how to help you guys with your online presence and bring in more business throughout the year. So without further ado, I'll get right into it. So there's three things that help your website uh, get on the first page of Google to bring in more consistent traffic. So the first is content, second is citations, and third is backlinks. I'll explain this as I go along. So content is anything on your website, word related, so all this, pictures, what they're saved as, and buttons, what's on the button, everything is content on your website. So Google likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on the home page, and the reason for this is because Google doesn't want to see a lot of spam. So you see some websites that have lots of keywords, which is a search phrase people search on Google, such as heating and cooling, and people spam them throughout websites, and they just look stupid and they make the site look unprofessional. But Google has changed now, and they want more content on websites so that you can fit those keywords in throughout Google, throughout your website, and not look spammy. Also, Google reads your content, and if it doesn't relate to the searcher on Google, it's not going to show it. So Google likes to see the more content to provide more value for the person searching it. So the more content, the more keywords, which is the more business. Second is backlinks. Backlinks is a mention of your website inside of another website. So I always like to use Wikipedia as an example because you know all those blue words, those are backlinks. If you click on them, they go to another website and they're pointing back to Wikipedia, telling that Wikipedia is a trusted site on Google, and which makes it go higher up on Google. Also, if you notice, Wikipedia has thousands of words on it, and that's another reason why they are always showing up on the first page of Google when you search anything non-service related. So not all backlinks are created equal, obviously. So if you put them inside of Pizza Hut or any other place that's not related to like your niche, so your heating and cooling, your plumbing, all that stuff, those are places that you want to put your website in, blog posts, all that stuff. Putting it inside of just anything is not going to help you with your rankings on Google. So it's important to put them in good related niche related stuff. So the third one was citations. So citations is what is going to get you in this map pack right here. So citations is a mention of your name, address, and phone number listed throughout directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp, Angie's List, you name it. So when someone searches this keyword, you want to be in the top page of Google. If you're not here, no one searches down here. So there's hundreds of heating and cooling HVAC companies around here in Detroit. So if you're not in the top of Google, you're not going to get the business. So your website is just going to be a landing page for people to see your services. But if no one ever finds it, what's the point in having a website? You could just do everything with just a Facebook page. So also, you want to make sure that you have more reviews than your clients. So you obviously want legit, real reviews. But if you came here, you would obviously want to pick Budget Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, because they have the most reviews. Some people may go down here, but most people generally click the one with the most reviews and the one with the best looking website. I know that from experience. So I want to show you one of your competitors. I'm sure you know them, Randazzo. They are one of the biggest ones in Michigan. I believe they actually go outside of Michigan too. But they have, I have this tool called Ahrefs. It tells you what's going on in the background of your website. They're currently bringing in 7,000, almost 8,000 people a month. And they have almost 400 referring domains and almost 3,000 backlinks. So that is why you search Heating Cooling Detroit, they're up here in the ads, so they're getting lots of business here, but they're also down here in the organics. So that's why they're bringing in so much business. They're probably they're probably in here somewhere, but um, you can be in ads, map pack, and organic too. and you can bring in tons more business. So those are all things that you can do. But yeah, it's content citations and backlinks will get you on the first page of Google. And also, I want to show you the inside of your website. So this is the inside of yours. You're ranking for #1 for your keyword, your name, which is bringing you in a decent amount of searches, but you're not really getting anything outside of that. Sorry, my thing is taking forever. So you're bringing 160. So Razzo is bringing 8,000. And then here's another guy, Detroit Heating and Cooling. I think they're called Krager. They're bringing in almost 1,000. So this is a pretty base level. This tool is not 100% accurate. It can be up to 10 times that. So it's taking the average search volume per month. So it can be more than that. It's not going to be less than that though. So you're bringing 160. I'm not quite sure how many you're bringing in a month, like form submits, but generally it's 10% of that. So it's much better to have 10% of 8,000 than 10% of 160. So you can take these tips and tricks and do them yourself, give them to your marketing team if you have one, or you can reach out to me. I'll leave my info. You can reach out to me. I can help you out if you like, or you can do it yourself. All I ask in favor is that you give me some feedback, just to let me know how I did, and if I can provide value for any more businesses. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.